everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for tuning in for another video. If you are new here, please make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I upload. So we're going to start her service off with a plant-based hair mask, which is from my hair care line, Toya Hair Care, which will be out this spring. It features coconut milk, honey, avocado, and banana. And it also has a herbal blend of marshmallow root, slippery elm, fenugreek, amla, and berengrage. So this hair mask is formulated to help strengthen your hair naturally, improve elasticity of the hair, provide heat protection, detangle, and moisturize, and also stimulate hair growth. So this mask is to be used as a pre-shampoo treatment. With heat, you can leave this mask on for 10 to 15 minutes. Without heat, you'll want to use a cap and leave on for 30 to 45 minutes to use your natural body heat. So once again, this is going to be a part of my spring collection. And while we're talking about spring drops, I am also dropping some new bath and body products as well for spring. Some new body butters and scrubs, and also a new product to go along with it. So make sure you join my email list so you don't miss out. Here you see me detangling her hair. See how easy it is for me to get through her hair. And I'm also just making sure that I get that product combed all the way through her hair. So after we shampoo her hair and condition her, I am going to go in with my silk serum. Now my silk serum is no longer available because it is being reformulated, and that will be back out again this spring as well. All right, I'm going to get the product worked in her hair really good, and then I am going to section her hair out and get it combed through to make sure that the product has even distribution throughout the hair. And I forgot to mention, of course, I also use a leave-in conditioner on her hair as well. As of now, my leave-in conditioner of choice is from the Mazzani line. It's showing you her hair, and it just looks absolutely gorgeous. This is with the treatment at the good shampoo and the condition. And her hair looks amazing. I can't wait to drop this product out to you guys. And give her a good blow dry using the tension method so that we can get her hair super straight. The blow dry is the key to an awesome silk press. So I'm going to get her blown out, and then you guys will see me soak her out. Okay, so now it's time for me to trim her, and of course, as always, I discuss with her what needs to be trimmed, and she gave me the go-ahead, so I'm gonna go ahead and get her trimmed up and get rid of all those dead ends. Like, in all honesty, like, there's no need to hold on to your split ends. Just go ahead and get rid of them, and I promise you, your hair will thank you for it. Okay, just let them go. Like, there's nothing that you can do with split ends. Look at that movement. Her hair is gorgeous. Look at the luster in her hair. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. She thought her hair was severely damaged and it just really needed a little TLC. So I am going to give her some of my goddess curls and give her a lot of body, a lot of bounce, do a little artwork and getting her curled up. I want to go ahead and thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video of mine. I really do appreciate it. I appreciate all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining my goddess family. I hope you are enjoying the videos. Please leave a comment below and let me know what you thought of her hair. What do you think about the new hair mask that's coming out this spring? Is it something that you would try? Let me know. I look forward to hearing from you guys, and until next time.